Hello and welcome you all to the Highway Pro. Yeah, my name is Baturai Chinembiri, and on this video, um, we are basically going to work on the exhaust joint that is blowing. So I will show you how to put what you call the gum. We call it the gum. Yeah, to fix the blowing of the exhaust pipe. And lot of rust on this nut. Yeah, but I can win it. So it was blowing on this joint. So I'm trying to remove to separate the joint so that I can be able to apply the gum paste. As you can see, the charcoal black spot there is the exhaust gas that was escaping from the exhaust pipe. Is the smoke. Yeah, that's the gum paste. Okay, so I'm applying the gum. You have to apply it around the pipe after you've separated it. It's like what you call it, the mud, like mud thing, you know what you call the mud, the clay mixed with water, but it's not the clay. Yeah, please be sure to subscribe, like and comment. Yeah, as you can see, I have applied the gum paste around the pipe. So I'm trying to yeah, it's done fitting it the exhaust spring brake or not. And yeah, as you can see, the gum paste is applied it on. So I'm screwing back a nut. Everything is done, and yeah, thank you for watching Highway Pro. Please subscribe, like and comment. See you on another video.